Well, my name is Jasmine. I'm taking the Industrial Millwright program at MITT. The Industrial Millwright program is a 10-month program followed by a 3-week practicum. We started with theory online, and then we came into the shop and we started with hand tools, and then we moved on to rigging and lifting. We've also done a lot of metallurgy, which interests me a lot. Right now we're doing lathes and mills, and we are going to be moving on to welding and more alignment stuff. The instructors for this program are very good. I'm really happy with them. They will challenge you. They might not answer your question the second you ask it. They're going to get you to research the answers and find the answer. If you need further help, they will be there for you, but they want you to be pretty independent. You do need to have a lot of patience, and you need to want to work with accuracy. Definitely, the finished product is always super satisfying.